I'm dipping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven. I got every game.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy lschevyryder254, and you tune in for another one, man. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe to the channel. As you can see, we got a box here. I got some scissors. Every once in a while, the video gets done and the audio mess up, man. But you know, me being a person that I am and a technical genius, well, I ain't no genius, but let's just open the box, man. As you can see, man, I wasn't able to find that bypass hole when I went to the yard, so I went on Amazon and I was able to get one. I had some points and shit added up, so it only cost me like $20, $25, something like that. So here very soon in the very near future, I'll go ahead and get that thing taken out. Part number 88412. This is the Dayco hose, as you can see. Looks to be more of a regular construction rather than the other one. They probably should have made them shits like this from the factory, but you know that's the benefit of aftermarket. They go back, see the flawed design, and they make it better. I think that's gonna be an integral part right there, where it splits. So as you can see, man, real short, real basic. Just bringing out this video, man. I appreciate all the subscribers, man. LS Cutlass, whatever it is that you're here for, man. Drop your suggestions down below. You know what I'm saying? If there's something that you want to see, let me know what you're working on. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we can collab, you know, swap knowledge, you know, whatever it is, and get everything popping. So this is his hose. I'm gonna get that installed. It's your boy lschevyryder254. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make them your strengths. Gone.